Yes. We will speak about trigeminal nerve. There are three things: structure and function and diagnosis. We will start the trigeminal nerve. Yeah. The trigeminal nerve is a part of nervous system. This is responsible for sending pain and touch and temperature sensation from your face and your brain. And it's large three-part nerve in your head that provides sensation. One sensation is called mandibular nerve, involves the motor function to help you chew and swallow. Structure of trigeminal nerve. There are three major structures of trigeminal nerve. First one, the ophthalmic nerve. Second one, maxillary nerve. Third one, mandibular nerve. Yeah, next slide, please. Next slide. Yes. Coverage on the trigeminal nerve, also called the seminal ganglia or causal ganglia, located with the macular cave and connecting the cell bodies of incoming sensory nerve fiber. The trigeminal ganglia is analogous to the dorsal root of ganglia of the spinal cord, which contains the cell body of incoming sensory fiber from the rest of the body. From the trigeminal ganglia, a single large sensory rod enters the brainstem and the level of the bones. Immediately active the sensory root, a similar motor root, emerges from the bones at the same level. Motor fiber pass through the trigeminal ganglia without synaptic on their way to the peripheral muscles, but their cell body are located in the nucleus of the fifth nerve and deep west in the bone. Next slide, please. We also have sensory branch. First one, the ophthalmic nerve. This nerve carries the sensory information from the scalp and the forehead and the upper eyelid, the conjunctive and the cornea of the eye. The node, including the tip of the nose, expect alia nasalis, the nasal mucosa. And we have also the second one, the maxillary nerve. This nerve carries the sensory information from the lower eyelid and cheek, the nerve and the upper lip, the upper teeth and the gums, the nasal mucosa, the plates, and the roof of the pharynx. The maxillary ethmoid and the sphenoid sensus and the parts of the meninges. We have also the function of trigeminal nerve. We have like two functions. First one, the sensory function of the trigeminal nerve is to provide the tactical, perceptive, and the nociceptive afferents to the face and the mouth. It's a motor function activity. The muscle mastification and the tensor tympani and the tensor villi, and also platen and the myloid and the anterior belly of digastric. The second one, the trigeminal nerve carries the gangliosmotic afferent fiber, which innervates the skin of the fascia via of ophthalmic, maxillary, and the mandibular. The trigeminal nerve also carries the special vascular efferent axon, which innervates the muscles of mastification and the mandibular division. We will speak first about the muscles. The motor compound of the mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve controls the movement of 8 muscles, include the 4 muscles of the mastification, the masseter and the temporal muscles and the medial and the lateral pterygoid and the other 4 muscles, the tensor villi platea and the myloid and the anterior belly of the digastric, the tensor tympani. We'll speak also about the sensation. The two basic types of the sensation touch position and the pain temperature. Touch position input the calm attention immediately, but the pain temperature input reach the level of the consequences after daily. When the person step on a pain, the awareness or of stepping on the something immediately, but the pain associated with dilate. Touch position information is generally carried by myelinated nerve fiber and the pain temperature. Information by unmyelinated fiber, the primary sensor receptor for the touch position. Second one, sensory pathway. Sensory pathway from the peripheral to the cortex are separated for touch position and pain temperature sensation. All the sensory information is sent to specific nucleus in the thalamus and thalamic nucleus in the turn send information to specific area, the cerebral cortex. Each pathway consists 3 bundles of the nerve fiber connected in the cerebrum. The secondary neurons, yeah, this one. The secondary neurons, each pathway dissociate because the spinal cord develops segments and decosted fibers later reach and connective this segment with the higher connective. The optic chiasm, the primary causes the dislocation, the nasal fiber and the optic nerve cross to receive the controllator opposite vision, and also to keep the interneurons connective with responsible for processing information short. All sensory motor pathway converge and diverge to the controllator hemisphere. Second slide. We will speak about diagnosis. Yeah. Your doctor will diagnose trigeminal neurology mainly based on your description of pain. Include the 3 steps. First one, the type and the type pain related the trigeminal neurology is a sudden shock like and brief. Second one, location means the part of your face that affects the pain will tell your doctor the trigeminal nerve is involved. Third one, triggers trigeminal neurology related the pain usually is brought on the by light stimulation of the checks, such as from eating and talking or even encountering cool breeze. Second one, please. Your doctor may conduct many tests like diagnosis trigeminal neurology and determine underlying causes for your condition. Include first one, neurological examination, like touching and examination the part of your face. Can you help the doctor determine exactly where the pain occurring and if you appear have trigeminal neurology? Which branch of trigeminal nerve may be affected? Reflex test also can help your doctor determine if your symptoms caused by compressed nerve. Another condition, magnetic resonance imaging. Your doctor may order and like scan of your head, determine of your multiplies. Yes, that's all. Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Thanks.
Doctor, we are done.